Hi, my name is Kat Simpson, and I've been an e-commerce professional since 1997. I'm someone who has years of experience dealing with online sales platforms, marketing, and e-commerce. I am a best-selling author. I am an award-winning Amazon and award-winning eBay seller, and I'm also an empty nest mom. I'm about to tell you about my second act, for which I'm very excited. I'm here to tell you the truth that you need to know to help find your passionate work and get started. Many empty nest moms suffer from the idea that traveling is not really a legitimate business. It's just fun. And nothing can be further from the truth in this day and age. And you're an empty nest mom who wants to find fulfilling work and wants to own a business and likes to travel. I have got exactly what you're looking for. Before we get into that, let me share a quick story about how I got to where I am now. There I was, a grieving empty nest mom, struggling along in e-commerce, getting more and more frustrated, knowing that I wanted something different, not knowing what it was, knowing that I had to create some kind of stable income for my family. The thing is, at that time, I was really hurting. I was struggling. The rules were constantly changing on the e-commerce platforms that I used. Customers were not finding me or finding the wrong thing. It was just really a bad time for me. The final straw for that situation was when Amazon changed the rules again, and it became something that I was going to have to change a major focus in my business. Products, sourcing, a lot of things were going to have to change in a major way. I just didn't want to face that again. As I said, I had pivoted and pivoted and pivoted. I was tired of it. Was tired of some other company making decisions that was going to kill my income. So while I was dealing with this and trying to figure out what I was going to do about it, something happened, and it was almost by chance, but I don't believe so. A friend told me about these opportunities that were happening in the travel industry. Well, I didn't know anything about that. As far as I was concerned, travel agencies and travel agents were a thing of the past. I was wrong, because the more I learned about this opportunity, it became crystal clear to me that this was what I wanted to take advantage of. These new options in the travel industry were going to make it possible for me to use all the skills I had learned in the past to sell something I was passionate about: travel. I love travel. I love everything about it, and I love sharing it with my family. This was very exciting. Instantly, I made the decision to transition my e-commerce business from products and widgets to travel. And so I jumped in with both feet. I started signing up with multiple vendors to sell their products, to learn about their products, and I started getting more and more education about what it meant to be a travel agent. I didn't stop there. Then I learned about what it was like to own my own travel agency, in addition to being a travel agent. This was really fun. I was having a blast. People that followed me on Facebook for years said, "It's so nice to see you. I think you found what you want." I said, "You're right." After I did that, I did something even more fun. I took several fam trips. You want to know what a fam trip is? Let me know, but let me just give you one tip. I went to Jamaica, stayed at 2 all-inclusive resorts, 6 days, 5 nights, $25 plus airfare. Yeah, tag me if you want to know more about that. The bottom line for my story was that I was able to replace my e-commerce income fairly quickly with my travel business income. Building on that success, then I decided it was time to start helping others find what I had found. You guys know I'm the original oversharer for Facebook. So when I find a good deal or a good option, I share it with as many people as I can. And that's why I'm putting together this website. I am calling this Kat's Second Act because I discovered that empty nest mom has kind of a negative connotation. Second act mom, I like that a little better. So my second act, I can now travel the world as an insider anytime I want when the borders are open, and go any place I want when the borders are open. And I can use that to build income for my family and to share my love of travel with my grandchildren, which is a big passion of mine. While I'm doing this, even during this shutdown, I have continued to build a legacy income that I am going to pass down to my grandchildren and create something that I can leave a will and not a bill to my family. And that is why I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I gotta sit still, stop jumping around. I jump around, it's exciting, okay? So let me introduce you to Kat's second act, your own home-based travel business, which helps you being a business for yourself, but not by yourself. You're gonna be working with a whole team of wonderful women just like me, and some guys, maybe. Your own home-based travel business makes it simple for you to do a few things. Number one, travel the world. Now, we're all busily waiting for borders to open up and all that. There are several places we can go right now, but it's opening, it's coming, baby. And you'll be able to go anywhere you want because you'll know all the insider details. This is also going to enable you to enjoy your work. No more sourcing at 11 p.m. at some grungy store, no more packing boxes and making things fit and listening to somebody else tell you how to run your business. Not going to happen. This is also going to enable you to spend more time with people you actually enjoy. The people involved in this business, my team, are all positive-minded people who are interested in personal development, growing themselves emotionally, mentally, as well as financially. This is going to let you grow your income to the level you desire. There are no quotas. We don't put pressure on people. You choose, Kat, I'm happy with a couple of $100 a month. That is awesome. Come join us and have some fun. Kat, I am talking legacy income. I want 10 grand a month or more. That is definitely possible. I can show you stories of multiple people that have reached that level within 4 years. That's why they call network marketing the 4-year career. This is also going to help you start feeling like a success instead of a failure. When your best efforts get shut down over and over and you have to pivot and change and make decisions about your business, not on what you think is best, but what somebody else decides is best, that leads to feeling like a failure, like you're never going to get out of this rat race. This business, you're going to feel like a success as soon as you get started, I promise you. And what makes this offer even better than anybody else's offer for a home-based travel agency? Because now you're never going to have to struggle again trying to figure out what your passion is and all those doubts and fears about, I can't make this work, what's wrong with me, there are other people making lots of money, I can't do it, what's wrong with me. Those are going to go away because we're going to show you how to get to the level you want, and the rules are not going to keep changing on you. This also means that you are not going to be stuck feeling like you can't make any forward motion anymore. You're not going to be stuck thinking, I'm just, treading water. I'm not making any forward motion. No. Even during the shutdown, yes, even during the shutdown, our agency has booked over $40 million in travel. Travel's not shut down. The country may be shut down, we're still booking travel. We're still building businesses. We're still helping families, and you can too. And best of all, you can start seeing results with your own home-based travel business, financial results, within the first week of opening your business. And the whole thing costs a whole lot less than the newest phone you probably are listening to this video on. So let's do this. Again, if you're an empty nest new mom who is looking for fulfilling work as a business owner and a world traveler, you need to understand a few things. The travel industry is in the midst of a gigantic growth opportunity. Yes, I said growth opportunity. The travel industry as a whole, the vendors, they may be shrinking. Some of the cruise lines are selling ships. Some of the hotel chains are merging or shutting down. But travel as a whole, this is a huge opportunity to get in on the ground floor when things are changing and become the expert that everyone is going to be looking for, because trust me, people need good travel advice more than ever. And I really think that one of the things to come out of this pandemic is going to be people appreciating my profession even more, because travel is changing at this time daily. In fact, in some instances, it's actually changing hourly. I can tell you that on the day that Jamaica opened to tourism for the first time since the pandemic, June 15th, I received 6 emails from the Jamaica Board of Tourism and the Jamaica Customs Office. 6 updates in that one day about new changing rules, about what people had to bring with them, what they had to prove, and what the reception was going to be when they got to Jamaica. So people need to know these things, and you're the one that's going to know them because you're on the inside. Your own travel agency business holds the key to your success with finding some passionate work that you care about. Take action today because I'm testing this website and I don't know how long I'm going to leave it open because I can't process that many new people that fast. So I'm going to shut it down and just put it, we're shut down for now when I get my application queue full. So go ahead and submit your application today by clicking on that button down there so that you can apply, because I don't accept everyone. I only work with people that I think I can help and that I can see their goals and their goals work with this business opportunity. Because if it doesn't work for you, I'm not going to encourage you to join. And if I don't think that I'm the right mentor for you, I'm the right coach for you, then I'm not going to accept your application. But go ahead, put your application in below to join my team of professional travel agents and agency owners right now. When you submit that button and your application is approved, you're going to receive a bunch of bonuses because I believe in over-delivering to my people. Now, if you submit your application and you are not accepted, I will still send you the #1 thing on this list, which is a report on the state of travel during coronavirus. You can have that report, which costs me hours of work to put together, for going through the process, listening to this video, and filling out the application. If you are accepted under the team, you'll get all of the bonuses. So what do you get? Your own home-based travel agent business, partnering with Kat's Second Act. You're going to get this report I referred to called Travel in the Era of Coronavirus. I've priced this report at $97 because of the hours of research that went into it. This report, it holds the key to understanding what happened to the travel industry when coronavirus hit. What actually happened? It's going to give you another section talking about where travel is now. What countries are open, what countries have shut down, what are the travel bureaus trying to do, how are we doing right now. Then it's the third section, which is interviews with different people, experts in the industry, their ideas of what travel will look like 5 years from now, because travel is changing. Are we ever going to go back to the way it was before Corona? I don't think so. I think things are very different now, and travel is going to have to adapt just like everything else. However, you're going to be on the inside and you're going to know what that means. So you also get your turnkey travel business. What do you get? What does that mean, Kat? What do you mean I'm buying a business? You're basically buying a travel agency in a box. It is a complete solution, almost like buying a franchise, okay? You're going to get your own travel agency website, which will book travel for anyone to anywhere without you even touching it, if you want to use it that way. You're going to get access to unlimited free trainings on how to be a travel agent, how to be a travel business owner, and how to book travel. It's also going to help you learn all the insider deals that are around. It's going to cover your insurance as a travel agency. It's going to cover your membership in the trade organizations. All of that is included in that little travel agency in a box. We call it an ITA, an independent travel agency, because you are independent. But remember, in business for yourself, not by yourself, because you're going to be on my team. Okay, you're also going to get, remember I told you I was over-delivering, you're also going to get my 30 days to $1,000 a month travel training program. This is valued at $1,497. Why? Because it's worth it. This is a day-by-day training program, and it is your guide to earning a sustainable monthly income. It's your key to avoiding the overwhelm because there is a vast amount of free training available. It's hard to choose. This will help you. You're able to work your business in the amount of hours you have to work in it with this program. And it will teach you how to access all of the benefits available to travel agents and travel business owners. Now, That's good enough, right? But I told you I like to over deliver. So I'm going to give you 3 bonuses in addition to what I just mentioned. Bonus number 1, you're going to receive an automatic lead generating sales funnel. What's a sales funnel? It's a website, but it's created simply to generate leads. This lead generating website makes it simple for you to get leads with your travel business. This will enable you to bring in constant new business to reach out and contact about your travel business. This is a website. It's a personalized website. You will receive it pre-built, and you will just substitute your picture for my picture and make my words sound like your words, but you'll get the leads from that website. Bonus number 2, my partner and I have created a comprehensive list of over 100 free travel training programs that we have personally vetted that are worth your time for the information and the benefits that come with the training. This is over 100 travel training programs with the links to the programs and instructions on how to get started. We valued this at $97 because we went through a lot of these trainings, and I'm honest with you, some of them are really not worth the time or the effort. We threw all those out. These are just the top 100 that will bring you value for your time, your ROI. This exhaustive list is going to help you choose the correct learning for you, which lets you manage your time in a more relaxed manner and feel more organized. Bonus number 2, you're also going to receive a 90-day Grow Your Travel Business tracker system. This tracker awards points for certain activities that you do each day. And your goal is to set your goal for the week of how many points to earn and to work your business every day. This tracker and instructions make it simple to maintain consistent action in your business, which is going to enable you to track your work so you can grow your business as fast as you wish in an organized manner. This is also free, valued at $97. Total value of all the things you get when you sign up for my team, $2,984.90. But wait, didn't I tell you it was going to cost you less than your Apple iPhone? I did. So Apple iPhones are still quite expensive, right? The last one, the newest one, isn't it like $1,100? It's not that much. How about an Apple iPhone 6? Is there still a 6 out there? A 7 maybe is the oldest one I've seen lately. That's still about $200, right? That's about right. Your total cost with this, because here you are with Kat's second act and I'm over delivering, your price for now is $199.90. And you get all of the things I listed, all of the bonuses, but you need to push the button, okay? My name is Kat Simpson. And I want you to remember that if you're an empty nest mom who is looking for fulfilling work as a business owner and a traveler, then your own home-based travel business is the solution you've been looking for. So let's get started today. Push that button and apply to join my team. I hope to talk with you soon.